Did you finish packing?
What?
Did you finish packing?
You have a friend who loves to break games.
He doesn't like the balloons when they're up.
Point of view, you heard someone mention your crush's name. When you miss your bestie so much, you'll be like... Oh my god.
Hello? Can I help you?
Instead of working hard for the capitalist, it's better to live comfortably with the work of stealing.